going on? Got some news today, but I gotta hurry because at 5:30 we got someone to come look at this bike. Hopefully, once I do this, I can buy either a quad or 85 two-stroke. Below what kind of bike I should get. I don't want to get anything smaller than what I have, obviously. Ideally, I want a two-stroke, like an 85, like a YZ85. First that we gotta do, we gotta clean, make sure everything starts and works properly, and then we can, hopefully do it. So, yeah, we gotta get to cleaning this and make sure everything works properly. Let's go. Okay, guys, so first thing, we gotta make sure this thing checks, or starts. Don't know why I said checks. Got this plug here, we gotta take this out. Crap. You do not want to start with this thing in. I don't know if it really would mess up your bike or anything like that, but I'm not taking any chances. Make sure the gas is on. Shouldn't need choke, so I'm not gonna put it on. I don't need to start it in neutral, but I'm just going to, just in case. I'll put it on reserve, see what happens. I'm just gonna edit it and make it seem like it just started first kick. Alright, you know what? I hate doing this. We're just gonna bump start it, okay? Alright guys, so we're just gonna end up bump starting this because I can't fix it right now. Sometimes it does that. This gets flooded after a while or something dumb. I don't know. Might have to clean the carburetor. If so, that's fine. More content. I got till 5:30. We'll see what happens. Put her in a second. Pull her down. My bad. I'm gonna try and start on a flat surface. So, I'm gonna get it to start, so I'm just gonna pull off the carburetor real quick. Hopefully that'll just help. I'm not gonna make a video on it, like just the carburetor pull up thing, because I gotta like get this thing working. That'll be another video for maybe a different bike or just one of these. So, yeah, let's go. Guys, so I pulled this carburetor off. Everything was fine and stuff. Everything's still working. We just gotta probably pull these jets off and everything. Choke still works, everything like that. Probably just all flooded out. Got gas everywhere. But yeah, I'll see you guys when I get it back on and running. Alright, so we got the carburetor back on. I took off the side plastic in order to get this off. But I'm leaving it off for now, so that way we can wash the bike. I just gotta reconnect this right here. Gas goes right through it. It's good. See if it'll start. Maybe give it a couple twists just to get the gas flowing in there. I need you guys to like and subscribe to give me good luck. That would help. Alright guys, got her in first, got the clutch pulled in. Let's do this. Comment down below, like right now, how many kicks do you think it's going to take? Let's do this. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3. God dang it. Alright guys, so we got her back and running and everything like that. I got to clean it off now, so I can't really record right now because they're going to be here in like an hour to a half an hour, so I gotta go. Alright, so we have this all cleaned up and everything. Put the side plastic back on. Crap. Got some dirt on there. Make sure everything's all tight and all that stuff, you know. So So yeah, I'm gonna get the chain lube and we'll go from there. So they decided they're gonna buy it. They're on their way to an ATM. Yeah, ATM. And I don't know how they're gonna load it in their minivan, but they're going to go get their minivan as well. Should be like another probably about an hour or so. Guy had no idea what he was talking about at all. I got so scared because my bike started spitting flames, and I didn't even know my bike can do that with how much, like how low the RPM is, because it doesn't get very high. And then he rolled it down there, and then he couldn't even figure out how to ride it, and then it died on him. And then we tried to start it, but it wouldn't. If you guys have made it this far into the video, please consider subscribing. It'll help me out. Comment down below what I should do next. I need ideas. Oh god. So yeah, guys. I'll be back with you guys in a minute. I can't believe it, boys. We actually sold it. Already gonna start looking for something. Maybe a Z400. There we know a guy that could might be able to hook us up. We were able to sell it for 1,170. I don't know, it's an odd number for some reason. But yeah, actually gone. Just got this thing now. Yeah. It's pretty insane. My first dirt bike is just gone. I don't mind just commenting down like what kind of bike I should get. I know I said that earlier, but like what kind of bike I should get and stuff like that. Preferably a 2-stroke, honestly, 85. My dad thinks it's gonna be too small, but some of them could be, some of them aren't. It just depends on the one that you get. So yeah, like and subscribe, share, I guess, comment, like I said before, and just give me ideas, show the support. Thank you guys for watching.